Okay, so I remembered what else I was going to say. For those of you that are detractors of quantum mechanics, you need to remember that quantum mechanics is modern chemistry, is quantum mechanics are the same thing. Right? It just happens that modern chemistry has some weird implications, many of which have been checked out and really are weird in the real world. And the thing is that in our effort of reduction, to break down things into their smallest bits, we got down to a small bit that cannot be explained with classical states. So we had a couple centuries of working with classical concepts. And we understood very well how that should work. The fact is that particles go into actual states which can't be described as a single classical state. And the issue really is that things that are possible that don't happen do play a role. Things that are impossible don't. Possibilities that aren't going to happen or don't end up happening influence what does happen. They are part of physics. And that's the current state of affairs, and we're asking, what does it mean? You know, to reject quantum mechanics is to reject modern chemistry, and you simply can't do that whole. You can say, oh, well, this or that'll change, but you can't do this whole or say, hey, classical, they just need to try a new classical. They've tried a million classical tricks, and there's a fundamental problem with the way classical mechanics says states should apply to reality. It doesn't apply to an electron or a photon when it's in a coherent state. Okay. This isn't just a general use of the term coherence. I mean quantum coherence. You can look it up. Cheers.